Hi everybody and welcome. Today I had the latest Apple AirPods 4 and I'm going to tell you how can you easily make these headphones louder. So the first tip is that we have to go into settings and into our settings headphones menu. Now we have to scroll down until we see accessibility over here. We have to open it and here we have to scroll down to tone volume. Here we have to increase the max to 156, and that was the first tip. The second tip is that we have to go into audio and visual settings, and here we have to tap headphone accommodations. We have to enable headphone accommodations, and now we have to take our headphones into our ears. The first and the second one. Now we have to tap custom audio setup. Here, as you can see, we have to tap continue and connect your headphones to continue. But at the moment I have them connected on my Mac, so I have to just disconnect them from here. And now we have to tap continue. Now, can you hear someone speaking? If you hear someone speaking, you have to tap yes. If you don't, tap no. Here, music. Now I have to tap continue, and now you'll hear some tone. You have to select which version is louder for you. The first version of the second version. With this you can increase and decrease your volume level of this tone. And for me the version 2 is a little bit louder. Here, the same. Tap on the version 1 and the version 2, and which louder is for you, you have to select here. Then continue. And here in the comparison tree, the same. Here you can see the difference between custom and standard. Here tap continue, and now here you have to tap on strong. Here you have to update settings, and this is all my tips that I wanted to show you to make your AirPods 4 louder. That's it. Hope you can now listen to your music a little bit louder. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.